In this video, I will show you how to hide your YouTube channel temporarily. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to youtube.com. Just log into the YouTube with that account which is linked to the YouTube channel that you want to hide. I have already logged in to youtube.com. Now click on your profile icon located at the top right side. As you can see, I can access my YouTube channel over here. Next, click on Settings. Now on the settings page, under your YouTube channel, click on View Advanced Settings. Here you will find an option, Delete Channel. Just click on the link. On the next screen, you will get two options. I want to hide my channel and I want to permanently delete my content. As we want to hide our YouTube channel temporarily, just click on I want to hide my channel. Now click on the check boxes and then click on Hide My Channel. You will get a confirmation box whether you want to hide all your content. Just click on Hide My Content option. And within seconds, your channel will be hidden. Now if I go back to youtube.com, and then click on profile icon. Now there is no option to access my old channel. Only there is an option to create a new channel. So that means our channel is now hidden. So that is how you can hide your YouTube channel temporarily. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.